Hey guys, this is Saurabh Nahai of Mallbot Technologies, and in this video let's take a look at top 5 features of Vivo X21. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin. Let's start with in-display fingerprint scanner. We have been seeing fingerprint scanners for a couple of years now, and it was all fine until last year when phones had huge bezels on the front. But now since we are moving towards bezel-less era, there is a need to put that fingerprint scanner under that display so that we can have beautiful phones with just display on the front. And Vivo has just done that. Vivo X21 is one of the only phones available in India with in-display fingerprint scanner. It takes a little bit of time to set up and you have to apply a little bit of pressure while registering your finger. But once it's done, it works quite well. Yes, sure, it's not as fast as regular fingerprint scanners, but this is something new and first generation, so I'm sure it will get faster over the period of time. Also, Vivo allows you to change the animations, so you can change it if you want. Overall, this is one of my favorite innovations in the smartphone industry for 2018. The second feature on the list is Face Unlock. We have seen so many smartphones which have Face Unlock capabilities, but most of them use front camera and there is no actual sensor. Thus, the performance of Face Unlock under low light is not as good, or most of the time it doesn't work. Well, in Vivo X21, there is an infrared sensor in the notch which helps in unlocking your smartphone even at night time. So here is a clip from a dark situation where you can see infrared sensor light blinking, and the moment I look towards the phone, it unlocks. It's extremely fast in low light, and in broad daylight, it's obviously fast. I also tried unlocking it with closed eyes and it didn't unlock, which is nice. So overall, it's awesome and extremely fast. The third thing I like about this phone is fast charging. It comes with fast charger with an output rating of 5 volts at 2 amperes and 9 volts at 2 amperes, which means it's very fast. It took less than 1 hour and 30 minutes to fully charge the X21 from 0 to 100%, which is amazing. So if you want fast charging, it's there and it's faster than a lot of phones. The fourth feature I like is dual pixel autofocus. This is something which really helps while clicking pictures or shooting videos. Let me explain you how it's better than the traditional face detection autofocus. In traditional face detection autofocus, there are very few special photodiodes that are embedded into the pixel on the sensor. And if I have to be precise, there are just 5% of them, which means they are scattered all over the sensor or pixels, and not every pixel has these special photodiodes. Hence, focusing is not extremely fast. In dual pixel autofocus sensor, each and every pixel has these special photodiodes, which means 100% of the pixels have these, and that's the reason the focusing is so fast. Let me show you how fast the focusing is. So as you just saw, the focusing is extremely fast due to dual pixel autofocus, and you just don't have to tap to focus anymore. So if you are someone who loves to shoot videos or click pictures, then this can be really helpful. Lastly, I really like the design. It has 90.3% screen to body ratio, and the fact that it has no fingerprint scanner at the back makes it look clean and nice. The bottom bezel is also less compared to a lot of phones, which is awesome, and the side bezels are just 1.66 mm thick. Not to forget, it is also quite slim and light, which I'm sure a lot of people will like. So guys, these were the top 5 features of Vivo X21. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. That will motivate me to make such amazing videos for you guys. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click that bell icon. If you have not participated in the Vivo X21 giveaway, you can do that. Just click on the link which is present in the description box, and I will also try to add it in the comment section. So click on that, participate in the giveaway, and you could be the winner of Vivo X21. Also guys, make sure to follow me on all my social media networks. Links will be there in the description box. I'm very active on Twitter and Instagram, so make sure you do that. That's it guys, this is Saurabh Nahai. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.